Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Milwaukee charger flashing red and green without battery, mix meaning and fix guide. If your Milwaukee charger is flashing red and green even when no battery is inserted, it usually means the charger has detected an internal fault or failed its self-test. It can also happen because of power issue, dirty battery contact or damaged charger. Fix one is reset the charger. Unplug the charger from the wall outlet, then leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. Plug the charger directly into a wall outlet, then check if the red and green flashing stop. Second fix is try a different power outlet. Unplug the charger, then plug it into another known working wall outlet. Then make sure the outlet has power by testing it with another device. Check the charger light again. Third one is inspect the charger contact. Unplug the charger, look inside the battery slot for dirt, dust or bent metal contact. Clean the contact gently with a dry, soft brush or compressed air. Plug the charger back in and check the LEDs. Fourth one is let the charger reach room temperature. If the charger has been stored in a very hot or cold place, unplug it. Leave it at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes. Plug it back in and see if the flashing continue. Thanks for watching.